There comes the moment. And every girl knows this moment. We all had that 8 a.m. stare down with the closet where nothing, absolutely nothing, fits the vibe. What to wear, what to wear, what to wear. Oh, I have nothing to wear. I've had it approximately 300 times. It's that everything feels boring. Being a girl who can actually make her own clothes is a blessing and a curse. Mostly a curse, because I'm a chronic fabric hoarder. I bought these divine textiles, promised them a main character moment, and then I put them in the closet. And the second that the closet closed, I forgot about all my fabric. It's a kind of event. Anyway, I chose violence. I decided to build my own super cool wardrobe, or at least a base for my wardrobe. The kind you can't buy because, let's be real, who has time for mid-tier tail or fits that weren't made for this body? It started with the palettes. Earthy, rich, expensive looking. Then came the silhouettes. I tried to keep it minimal, but 13 pieces in a collection of accessories later, I realized I'm just not that girl. I looked at the list and tried to cut something, but it was like choosing between children. Do I need three different skirts? Yes, I do. The strict skirt girl era. Living in Southern Europe means your clothes have to work as hard as you do. I needed a capsule that breathes in the heat but plays nice with layers. Something that works for a morning market run but can be dressed up for the late night pasta dinner with too much wine, or a little bit, or just cocktails. Then comes the math. Oh, their architecture, fashion is where the cool girl facade usually cracks. I haven't done proper pattern drafting from scratch in forever. I spent 2 weeks staring at my own measurements. I didn't know what to do. And to be honest, I redesigned it like twice on even more. I can't even remember. Anyway, knowing exactly what colors, texture, and approximate yardage I needed, finding the right fabric for each piece was actually straightforward. Blueprints done, fabric ordered, there is no turning back now. And the universe clearly agreed because the delivery arrived before I could even talk myself out of it. That was fast. Okay, you want the haul? Here is the haul. The first one is for accessories, but she's a secret for now, don't ask. Chocolate brown poplar, flora gorgina, olive because I'm predictable but in the best way. Red gingham, yes, it's given picnic, and yes, I like it. A pink stretch cotton that thinks it's lining, blue poplin to round it out. 25 meters, 170 euros. I'm not saying it's a crime, but someone should probably look into it. Now we play Tetris. How to feed, how to feed, how to feed. Chucking everything out is a ritual. I'm positioning this pattern with surgical brushes. Trying to be sustainable and saving every possible scrap for my hoarder soul. I need these leftovers. That 10 centimeter strip could be a hair bow or pocket or just emotional support for my fabric collection. You have measured 3 times, you have obsessed over the grain line, but you still stand there staring at the fabric like this, like it's about to give you a performance review. It's terrifying, it's commitment. My manager was on high alert the whole time. He kept checking in, judging my posture, making sure I hadn't completely lost my mind or forgot that sleep is a thing humans do. He is very strict about my 3 AM productivity level, but suddenly I'm cutting day at night. Time becomes a blurred concept. It's 2 PM or it's 4 AM, doesn't matter, not when the vision is finally manifesting. Let's be real. Cutting is the honeymoon phase. It's quiet, it's precise, it's aesthetic. Next up, the sewing machine. People call this the magic part, but it's mostly just me fighting my bobbin at 3 AM and ripping out seams. It's messy, it's chaotic, but it's the only way these gorgeous clothes are actually happening. Or it's just me. In the next part, we are going from pieces to this gorgino. Don't go anywhere, the real transformation is just one stitch away. See you in part 2. Stay chic!